Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to start our Express.js journey and we will going to create our own server in this video using Express.js. So what you have to do, just open a terminal, do one thing, install Express and Nodemon. Okay. Why we are installing Nodemon? Because like if we do any changes to our code, it will not get reflected instantly. So that's the reason. Now do one thing, do npm init. Okay, yeah, here you have to add the package name, version, description. I'm skipping these all thing for now. We can add your name in the author section and yes, done. So installation part is done. You can see here the Express and the Nodemon is successfully installed with their version is already there. Now we will have to write our code in server.js. Okay, thus we have to change this main from index to server.js. Okay, okay, everything is perfect. Now here we have to write some pieces of code for the basic Express.js program. Const we will run our server on 3000 port in our local host. What we will do, we will do npm start, and there you can see that our server is running on 3000. Perfect. But we want to see that if any like we have to see that where is our server. So what we can do, we can add one endpoint like on 3000 localhost page. We can running. Now in the local host you can see on 3000 port. One thing we have to do here, we have to write server at nodemon, then server.js. So the nodemon is now working. Previously node1 was not working, so we have to restart our server in order to see the changes with what we have done. But here, after using the nodemon, after adding the nodemon to the package.json, now we can see that running is there. Like on 2000, sorry, on 3000 we can see that running is there. We can also change the endpoint like hello. Then you will see there is nothing because we have not created that endpoint. So we can do the same thing for hello and hello. We can see at localhost 3000 hello, we can see there is a hello, and on localhost only 3000 we can see there is running. This slash means the home page, like the normal 3000, the home page. Okay, so this is our Express.js code, and our program is running on 3000 port using Nodemon. So this is all about it. If you like this video and if this video helped you, please go and like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.